So you want pizza but don't want to go shopping for one. Get you one of these pizza kits. Pretty cheap. Mix up 1/3 water for both packages, or 2/3 cups of water with one. As you can see, mine's already rose quite a bit, about 15 minutes. But just mix it up really well and put a tablespoon of oil on it, and I covered it with this damp towel in the oven on to keep warm. So now I put a little oil in the pan. A little salt, that'll keep sticking. And after it's rose in this container, just flop it out on there. We'll just spread this around. I'm gonna let this rise again. If you just follow the directions on the box, it's gonna look like a cracker. Nobody likes cracker pizza. Well, maybe somebody does. I'll just rip through this real quick. This is a pretty large pan, 16-inch. If you can hear me, a lot of noise. Until it's nice and springy, let's pull back. Takes some work, but you can get it all flattened out. I take my fork, poke a few holes so don't get air bubbles. And I'll throw that in the oven about another 15 minutes or so. We'll be back. So I was going to make a pepperoni pizza, but apparently I don't have any pepperonis. I'm just going to brown up some hamburger. I have one slice of bacon, which is 2 pieces, but it's just a piece broken in half. I cut my whole package in half and I bake it. Maybe I'll make a video on that sometime, but that'll work. I like a little meat on there. I will be back in a second. So yeah, it's about ready to pull it off. Slap it on my stack of paper towels because we don't want high cholesterol. Love me some cast iron. Just gonna cut this bacon up, literally. Viscous. All clean. Yeah, my dollar can opener is great. Get a big spoon. Oh yes, this is good. Now you turn your oven up to 425. So that'll be ready. And I'm going only use about half the can, so save the other half in a bulk container for my other package of dough. I don't get too crazy with the sauce, but I do like it to go out to the edge. A lot of pizzas you get from the pizza places, they just dump it in the middle. And then we don't even use pizza sauce, it's marinara sauce, which is, I don't know what that is, spaghetti sauce. And that's probably funny. Got a bunch of mozzarella. Like that to go out to the edge to kind of too. Don't get too much cheese as it might overflow on the pan. That's all right. I'll get a little mild cheddar, a little bit. Not as much as the mozzarella, but that's funny. Oh, I stop on this crappy hamburger. I wish I had pepperoni. But it's alright, just a little flavor. And I'm going to slap a little bacon on there. Here we are. Throw that in the oven for 15 minutes, 16 minutes. It says 18 minutes on the package, but we'll see how it looks. Which I know my oven's nowhere near heated up, but we're going to throw it in there anyway and set the timer for 18 minutes. We'll be right back. I just have a cheap plastic container for my extra sauce, and then I label it so I know what the hell's in there. Sometimes it might have spaghetti sauce and you get that confused. There we are, 18 minutes later. Nice and hot. Let it cool off a second, and then we'll cut it up. Cut it up and eat. I just cut it in squares. It's easier to handle and easier to eat than the triangles pieces. Look at that. Mmm. Yeah, just stick a little bit. I'm not on a diet, so I'll eat half of it. It's been a long day, and I'm starving. Yeah. So there you go. Easy peasy. Make one of these cheap pizza kits. You can do it too. Enjoy.